呢個係最新嘅車務狀況。由於九龍塘至大圍站之間有人進入路軌範圍，東鐵線來往旺角東至大圍嘅列車服務暫停。東鐵線嘅列車服務維持來往金鐘至旺角東及來往大圍至羅湖或落馬洲。請使用其他港鐵線路或其他交通工具。前往九龍塘嘅乘客可考慮使用觀塘線。港鐵免費接駁巴士將於稍後時間到達個別車站。請於 MTR Mobile 了解詳情。多謝你嘅體諒。This is a train service update. Train service on the East Rail Line between Mong Kok East and Tai Wai is suspended because of someone being found on the track between Kowloon Tong Station and Tai Wai Station. Train service on the East Rail Line is being maintained between MOT and Mong Kok East and between Tai Wai and Lo Wu or Lok Mo Chau. Please use alternative MTR lines or other transport. Passengers for Kowloon Tong should consider using the Kwun Tong line. A free MTR shuttle bus service is being arranged from some stations. Please refer to the MTR Mobile for more information. Thank you for your understanding.
请小心保管购买嘅財物，請小心保管各項財物。Please look after your belongings.